Now the DJI Pocket 3 is an incredible camera. I think the best pocket camera that DJI have actually brought out. I'm actually using this camera more than my Sony full frame cameras. It's actually just that good for both filming vlogs, B-roll, filming myself. It is fantastic. But I'm currently trying to make it even better. And I think that this camera rig that I'm currently using now is the best it can possibly get. So as much as I actually really do like this camera, I wanted to actually use some simple accessories to make it even better. And now for me, this is the perfect rig. Now I love the actual screen on the Pocket 3, how it rotates, but it still is hard to see because it's only 2 inches wide. When you're actually filming B-roll, you're filming in front of you, especially low down, it can be quite tricky to see that screen in bright conditions. So thanks very much to Manny Ortiz for showing this, but the first accessory solves all of that. So this is a mount that you can actually put onto the front of your Pocket 3, and this allows you then to actually have your phone connected to the front of it. So what this means is that you can now use your phone as an actual dedicated monitor. It connects directly to the DJI Mimo app. So now you've got this much bigger screen for either when you're filming in front of you or when you're filming yourself. And I'll talk about that in a second. And because this camera connects directly to the DJI Mimo app, I've got full control of that camera. So I can rotate that gimbal, I can change different filming modes, I can film in front, I can also film myself, all via this screen. And it's so much easier. But it's also better now for this situation. Again, thanks so much to Manny for this. But you can now use your phone as a teleprompter. So when you're in a location like this filming yourself, I've just got my phone with the teleprompter app directly on it. And if you're wearing glasses like this, you shouldn't really be able to see that I'm actually looking at my phone reading this script. This is so much better when you're filming in an outdoor location like this. You don't want to take some dedicated teleprompter, but you also don't want to forget your lines. And because it's lightweight as well, this is now a perfect setup. I think the Pocket 3 has just killed off all the other 1-inch cameras. I absolutely love my Sony ZV-E1. This is fantastic, and yes, it is better quality, but I don't really need this for this type of content. The Pocket 3, it's got D-Log-M, 10 bits, the quality is fantastic. You've got the DJI Mic 2, so the audio is great. And now I've actually got my phone in front of me acting as a monitor, and I can now put a script on here or use this phone for B-roll. This is fantastic, absolutely genius. And the best thing is that this accessory only costs $20. So I highly recommend it, even if you don't use a teleprompter and you just want to have your phone as a monitor so it's easier to actually see what you're filming, get all your shots composed well. This is fantastic. And for $20, I highly recommend it. There is one more accessory as well that I'm really enjoying using that's on here all the time. Thanks to Philip Scrabber for recommending and telling me about this. And this is basically a magnet that you can put on the DJI Pocket 3 on the back of it, clip it on, it just stays on there now all the time. And this has some great advantages as well. Okay, so what's great about this accessory? Again, super cheap. I think it was like $12, fantastic. And it's really minimalist. So now I've actually took the other mount off. So I've just got this second accessory on here now. Now, the great thing about this is, let's just say I'm in a location like this now, really fantastic location. And I don't have an actual tripod with me, but I don't want to be walking around holding this all the time. I want something to act as a tripod without it being a tripod. So the great thing about this mount is that the actual mount is magnetic. So I can go to any metal surface. I could just put the camera directly onto this car here. And because it's got auto frame mode, it's tracking me as I move around. And then I can just literally just grab it, take it off, and now I'm back to selfie mode. It is really, really convenient. And then if my arm's aching or I want to actually do a shot where it's more static, and now it's directly on here, I'm completely hands-free now, and I can actually talk to the camera, I can move around, and it will track me. This is fantastic. But if you don't actually have anything magnetic around you, but you have a flat surface, it also acts as a stand as well. So all you need to do is actually just push the back of it back here. You can put it onto a flat surface, and now the camera is on this parcel shelf, and I've got yet another angle here now. And I can just grab the Pocket 3 whenever I'm ready, and it will start tracking me again. So overall, I think this now is a fantastic setup. The Pocket 3 is already great, but by just having these two little accessories on it, I think it's the ultimate rig. Pair it with the Creator Combo for sure, so you're getting good audio. This is absolutely brilliant. I highly, highly recommend the Pocket 3. Didn't really use the Pocket 1, didn't really use the Pocket 2, but this, I'm using it all the time. If you don't have the DJI Pocket 3 already, I'll link at the top of the description. Do get the Creator Combo. And these two accessories for my ultimate rig, I will also put at the top of the description as well, so go and check them out. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new around here. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.